Friends, in this video, I'm going to tell you how to make a game pass on Roblox. First of all, go to roblox.com on browser. Now, just click on this create button. So now you have to click on this experience by default experience. Click on associate items. Click on passes. And now you have to click on this create a pass button. Now you just need to upload the image if you want, but it is optional. Enter the name of the game pass, testing 9, and you can leave it empty. And now you just need to, so let me, now you just need to click on this create pass. Your game pass has been created. You just need to configure it, click on sales and enable it for the sale and enter the price here. So I'm gonna keep 30 Robux. Click on save changes. Now you just need to add this game pass and please donate to get Robux for free. Hope you like it. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.